Hey, all you can do DIYers. Today's episode is going to show you the fastest and most efficient way that I have found to peel an apple. You may be thinking, is it really that important to learn how to peel an apple fast? Yes, because I am obsessed with being fast and efficient to save time in the kitchen. And back in the day, I had to peel cases of apples for a dessert, and I was able to figure out the fastest way to get it done. And of course, I had to do it by hand. They wouldn't let you use like a drill, like all those cool videos show you. If you're able to, rock on with that. If not, you're gonna use a basic peeler and you're gonna go to town. I have found that a Y peeler, I guess it's called, is the most efficient one instead of this peeler. If that's what you have, you can try to work with it. However, this is the little guy to get, okay? So you first are going to go around the top of the apple, flip it, go around the base, and then you're gonna go from top to bottom in these striped motions. And then you're gonna keep twisting in your hand as you rotate the apple, and you just keep peeling around. Now, when you're first getting your speed and the motion of how it feels, go slower, but the faster you get, you're gonna go through, and it's gonna be pretty fast. I'm gonna show you on another apple as well. A lot of people do this. Peeling flies everywhere, and it really doesn't get a bunch of surface area. So again, you go around one side, flip, go around the bottom, and you go from top to bottom. Bam, all done. And that is how you peel an apple by hand, the fastest and most efficient way that I have found. Enjoy, and I hope you are a speed demon when it comes to peeling apples. Like this video, subscribe, share it, and we'll see you next episode of All You Can Do DIY. I'm going to show you how to peel a peeler. Welcome to peeling an apple, everybody.
I'm recording all this, by the way.
Of course.
Yeah, of course.
My cackle better be in there. It's a good cackle.